Many of us plant with hope, water with care, and add fertilizers. Yet our gardens still struggle. Leaves yellow, growth stalls, and harvests disappoint. We blame ourselves, the weather, or the plants, but the real issue is often hidden in the soil. Most garden soil is lifeless dirt, not the living foundation plants need. Chemical fertilizers offer only a quick fix, creating dependency and never solving the root problem. Living soil is teeming with microbes, bacteria, fungi, and more that break down organic matter and feed plants naturally. This living web creates structure, holds water, and protects against disease. Dead soil means constant struggle. Living soil means a thriving, resilient garden. The best part? You can revive your soil for free, transforming your garden from the ground up. Let's see how. Reviving your soil is simple and costs nothing. The secret: feed the soil, not just the plants. We'll use cardboard, kitchen scraps and mulch, materials you likely already have. Start with a layer of cardboard to block weeds and provide carbon for fungi. Add kitchen scraps for nitrogen, fueling bacteria and rapid decomposition. Top it off with a thick layer of mulch, wood chips, leaves or grass clippings to protect and feed the soil life. This lasagna gardening method creates a perfect environment for microbes. The layers break down, building rich, living soil beneath. No digging, no chemicals, just nature at work. Soon your garden will be bursting with life. Here's how to do it, step by step. Ready to transform your garden? Here's what to do. Gather plain cardboard, kitchen scraps, and plenty of mulch. Water the area well, then lay cardboard directly on the soil, overlapping edges. Soak the cardboard thoroughly. Spread a layer of kitchen scraps or grass clippings, about 1 to 2 inches thick, on top. Avoid meat or dairy, stick to plant-based materials. Add a thick mulch layer, 4 to 6 inches deep, using wood chips, leaves or straw. Water everything again to kickstart decomposition. This method works in garden beds, containers or raised beds. For heavy feeders, add compost or well-rotted manure with your kitchen scraps. Deep, infrequent watering supports root and microbe growth. That's it. Nature takes over from here. Results start fast. Within days, microbes and fungi spring to life under the mulch. Bacteria break down scraps, while fungi weave through the cardboard, restructuring the soil. For a boost, pour compost tea. Soak compost in water for a day over your bed to add even more beneficial microbes. Within a week, you'll notice greener leaves and stronger growth. Plants respond to the sudden surge of nutrients from the living soil. Pull back the mulch and you'll see darker, moister soil and white fungal threads, a sign of healthy life. The soil becomes crumbly and rich, ready to support your garden. This is the foundation for lasting success. The key to ongoing success? Keep the mulch layer topped up as it breaks down. Add more organic matter once or twice a year to feed the soil food web. Over time, your soil holds more water, resists disease, and grows healthier plants with less effort. Some annuals may even survive winter thanks to the living soil's protection. Harvest regularly to encourage more growth and abundance. This method turns gardening into a partnership with nature, not a battle. You're not just growing plants, you're building a living ecosystem. With simple, free materials, you'll create a thriving, resilient garden for years to come. Start today and watch your garden and your soil come alive.